Hi, it's Tasha with WTI. I want to show you another useful product that I use every day. It's the Purgo Mini USB-C hub adapter for my computer.
This product is essential to the work I do on my laptop. It has two USB-C ports, an HDMI port, and two USB ports. It plugs in using the two USB-C ports that are already on my laptop. And I'll show you that when I plug it in, it's the same thickness of my laptop. It's really nice also that the color is exact, so it feels like it becomes one with the device. It has a tight connection and you can see it fits perfectly. Also, I like the feature of the indicator light. You can see it has a good connection and it's clear that it's not going to come out on its own. All of the cables that I have used always have a clean connection, and I don't have any issues with my computer sending an error saying they don't detect the cables or connections. Another great part is that it's so easy to disconnect and then just pack up my laptop and take it to another area. Finally, I love that it's sleek, slim, and lightweight, and easy to take with me if I'm working away from my desk.
As I said, this makes my job and my life just a little bit more easy, so I really love it, but that's just my point of view.